Namaskaram girls. Now we are going to learn the geography. Yes girls, where do you live? We live in Madurai. Where is Madurai? It is in Tamil Nadu. Where is Tamil Nadu? India. Yes girls, we are going to learn India only girl. What are the things in the India we are going to learn? Yes, these are the one you are going to learn. India, location, relief and drainage. In this is a lesson girls. In this lesson you are going to study of the introductions, India and the world, India's land and water frontier, India as a subcontinent, it is a location and extension, Indian Standard Time, major physiographic division, drainage system of India. Yes girls, these are the topics you are going to learn. Yes, I will show the India map. This is a political map. In this one you can see the 29 states and 7 union territories. This is the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal down Indian Ocean. So these are the one you are going to see in the India's girls. Next we will go for the introductions. India is the 7th largest country in the world. So total in the world we are in the 7th position. According to the area we are in the 7th position. The first place is Russia, second one Canada, third one USA, fourth one China, fifth one Brazil, sixth one Australia, seventh one our country India. Yes, if you take in the Asia, we are in the second positions. We are in the second largest country. So this is the one in second largest country. India occupies 2.4% of the total area of the world. So if you take whole world areas, we are the 2.4%. The land area is to 32,87,263 square kilometer. This is the introduction. Next we will go for the India and the world. So India is located in mid of East and West Asia. So if you see in the map, so we are located in the East and the West Asia. Okay girls. We are the extension of the Asia is India. Can you see this girls? So Asia extension was the India. Next, the Indian Ocean plays a major role to connect our country with Europe, Africa and Asia. So Europe is here, Africa, Asia. So these three countries are joined together to the Indian Oceans. Yes, we can just recall in the 9th standard you have studied the geographical discoverers. That is Vasco da Gama. All the people discoverers belongs to the Europe. From Europe they will travel to Africa, then they will come to India and they will reach Asia. So for trading purpose the Indian Ocean plays an important role. Now next one, the frontier. Frontier, as I said, the border for the country. So as now the problem is going on for the India and China, like that we have a land frontier. So totally the Indians borders is 15,200 kilometer long. When you together live the Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bangladesh, all these countries, if you put together, the total length is 15,200 kilometer. But Pakistan in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. The longest border is Bangladesh, that is 4,156 kilometer. The shortest border is the Afghanistan. We can see in the, I'll show in the map girls. Next, for the water frontier, when you take water frontier, that is we can say about the coastline. Coastline. So India surrounds the three major sea, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. If you put all together the coastline, 6,100 kilometer. That it starts from the Gujarat. I'll show in the map girls. Starts from the Gujarat to West Bengal. So when you take all together 6,100. If you includes the Andaman and Nicobar Island, so then you can have a 7,516.6 kilometer. I'll show in the map. The borders for this is Pakistan, Nepal, China, Afghanistan was here, girls. Nepal, Bangladesh. So these are the border frontiers, Myanmar. And if you take that is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, this is Andaman and Nicobar Island, here will comes the Lakshadweep. So if you take all these together, 7,516.6 kilometer. Yes, these are the frontiers, land frontiers and the water frontiers. Next we will go for the India as a subcontinent. Yes, why we are saying a subcontinent? How many continents are there, girls? Yeah, 7 continents. In the 7 continents, Asia is the biggest continent. The extension of the Asia includes the India. So that is called as a subcontinent. Not only for that also, we have a characteristics of the climate, physiography, mineral resources, natural resources, all types are here the characteristics. So it is called as a subcontinent. Along with the countries, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Bhutan, Sri Lanka also a subcontinent. All it constitutes in the Asian continent. So that only it is called as a subcontinent. For Asia and India, we are joining with the chain of mountains. We'll join from the north, northwest and north and the seas by the south. In the south, if you take, I told that Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. Now I'll show you, girls. So these are the one, the Asia map. From the Asia, we can see the India. So it is a subcontinent. So Pakistan is a subcontinent. Bangladesh is a subcontinent. Myanmar is a subcontinent. So these are the things are the subcontinents. Sri Lanka is also a subcontinent. Yes, girls, can you understand? Yes. Now we will see the location for India. Girls, if you want somebody to come to your house, what will you do? You will say the location, where it is located. Nearby any landmarks, you will give the identification marks to them. Like that, how will you locate the India? Yes, you have to locate the India by the latitudes and the longitudes. Latitudes, the horizontal line is the latitudes. Okay, this is the latitudes. All the horizontal lines, can you see all the horizontal line? That is the latitudes. Now we are going for the longitudes. All the vertical line, can you see the vertical line? Many 4-5 lines are there. That is the longitude. According to that only we are going to point out the location for the India. So it starts 8 degree 4 inch, 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes and 68 degrees 7 minutes to east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. So these are the one, it's a location for the India. And the Tropic of Cancer, that is the latitude lines, that is 0 degree, it is a equator. This line divides the two equal parts of the country. So the Tropic of Cancer, like this, the latitude lines, the Tropic of Cancer will divide our country into two halves. So we are situating in the northeastern hemisphere, and we have the southernmost tip of the India is Indira Point, that is Indira Point is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Up to that, the extension is there. The southernmost landmass is the Cape Comorin, that is Kanyakumari. This is a location and extension of the India. Next, again, when you take the extension, that is from Ran of Kutch, that is in Gujarat, the Ran of Kutch is there. Can you see that? Ran of Kutch to Arunachal Pradesh. That distance is a 2933 kilometer. Like that, from north to south. That is Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari. The distance is 3214 kilometers. These are the extension from the east to west and north to south. Then we have a administrative purpose. We are divide the India as 29 states and 7 union territories. In the first map I have showed that, girls. Have we cleared that? Yes. Next we will go for the Indian Standard Times. So Indian Standard Times, when you have a latitude longitude lines, I told that latitude longitude lines I showed also. In that, the difference between the Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, the longitude line will be differs in the 82 degree 30 minutes. So there will be a difference from in our country, from the east side to the west side, there will be the difference of the time. Sunrise earlier in Arunachal Pradesh, sunrise in the Gujarat will be little later, 2 hours later it will be rise. So to compensate that only, we are following the Indian Standard Time. That is the Greenland. You have, it is not in this India map, it is in the world map. Greenland is there. In the Greenland, from that Greenland, we are divided from the whole world as a Greenwich meridian. So 0 degree, that 0 degree latitude longitude only we are considered as a Greenwich meridian. From that we are calculate for our India. That is for us is a 5.5 difference will become for us. So that in India, the line passes Mirzapur. It bisects the country longitudinally. So these are the one Indian Standard Times. For that only we are saying that fixing the time, so that from each state should not have a different time, so that we are following the Indian Standard Times. Yes, I think you have understood clearly. Thank you, girls. We will see in the next video. Thank you.